Alrighty, y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're not new. Today, we're gonna start to tear into the Mustang. The hood's coming off, bumper, the headlights, a little plastic piece there. We're gonna dig into it, we'll check it out, and we'll talk about it. Alrighty, so we're just taking it apart and getting a better look at the damage now. We'll probably end up just buying this from a non-wrecked car. We'll buy a new hood latch. Getting down more into the damage, I thought that I noticed a panel misalignment over there while unlocking the door. And I believe what I had seen is true. You can see the front of this fender was hit. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the extent of the damage. We've got this section here that's bent inward. This is a little bent inward and upward. I'm not gonna replace this for now just because I don't believe it's broken as far as being cracked. Some of the fins are messed up. I'll go ahead and correct those, but as long as it's not cracked, I go ahead and keep it. Overall, I'd rather my Mustang not be damaged, but if it's gotta go through a car accident, I think this is what I'd rather the outcome be. So let's go ahead and pop inside. We'll go ahead and do some shopping. So this is the hood that I went with, and then just all the other little attachments to accompany the hood. And then as far as the radiator support goes, I'm thinking about buying this one. And then I'm just gonna cut out the middle section and maybe the section by the headlight that's also pushed inward. And then I'm gonna re-weld those sections in. As far as my cooling system goes, these are the parts that I'm gonna be getting. And the reason why I chose a 3-row, especially from a 94 to 95 Mustang when I drive an 02, is just because they don't make a 3-row for the V6. Not one that I've found. You are going to have to make some custom brackets to make it work, but I plan on supercharging my car, so it's gonna be like completely custom by the time I'm done with it. So these are just certain things to think about before you buy the parts. The other thing that we did not pick out yet was headlights and taillights. The reason for that is because we don't know if we're gonna go with the tinted or clear setup yet, and so that is just the reason for holding off on that. Alrighty, y'all, if you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Definitely be looking out for these new parts that you just seen. Y'all have a good one. Peace.